I'm very
Ready?
excited. I'm very excited.
Frog
very
legs!
Yeah.
Say it with me, we're cooking frog legs!
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. On this episode we'll be making frog's legs.
Frog legs.
Also that. Cajun style. So, thanks for coming back and let's get started. Cheers.
Oh, these are filthy!
Yes, that's how I like them. What we need to get started is to soak our frog's legs.
Oh, those are some good looking frog legs. Oh, they're dripping. Just
Ah!
No, that's just a little frog juice. Nothing wrong with
Oh,
that.
no, there isn't.
No?
Let's get it in
Little
us.
juice. That's something in my eye.
What is it?
I don't know.
Is it frog seed?
It's frog juice.
He's gonna turn into frog man. That's how it happens.
I
Because
can
frogs
feel
don't
it
bite.
starting. You know
What
type
kind of
frogs
abilities
these
are you?
were?
Tree frogs.
Can we get a picture of the tree frog edited in so that you know what I'll look like in a couple months?
Actually, most frog legs come from like swamps or farm raised.
Do you know if these are
Frog
swamp or farm?
I don't.
I like them from the swamp if you can catch them with a net.
So what we're going to soak our frog's legs in for the next 2 hours is just going to be actually a mixture of buttermilk, Tony's Chasheries, seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and hot sauce. And we're just going to do that for 2 hours. So,
That sounds delicious.
yeah, let's mix it up.
Yeah.
Um,
Frog legs!
so, 2 cups of buttermilk.
Now, I see this is cultured buttermilk. Is there a difference between cultured and non-cultured buttermilk?
Not one that I care to explain. I think it's non-issue.
Let's say, how many cups of this?
It's just a bacterial thing. 2, not cups, no, 2 tablespoons.
And this is onion and granules. Some would call this onion powder, perhaps.
No, it's
No?
different.
Is it
yeah,
different? In
Granules
what way?
granules
Is
is
it
larger,
thicker?
yeah, than
Ah.
powder.
Don't use powder. You will fuck this up if you use powder.
You can use powder. It's different.
Granules are preferred. Granules, if we could find them.
This is garlic powder.
But would we prefer granules?
It's all about a personal preference. It's not.
Today, that's amazing. What are we gonna do with that hot
Cecil.
sauce?
So we put 2 tablespoons in there.
And I can see that the granules really make this just look more beautiful than if we had only used powders alone.
So the legs, we actually want them to be separated.
This is like biology class all over again. I love it. Those look good. Those look like they came from the swamp for sure. I can't be 100%, but they look like swamp legs.
And we're just separating them. And we're going to throw them into our buttermilk mixture. So anyway, Cecil is an artist. You know, I like to think that I'm an artist, but not on the same level as Cecil. So he does really awesome artwork. And I asked him to bring his paintings so I could show the world, aka the 35 subscribers that we have at the time of this, to his work. So anyways, so we're gonna let these soak for 2 hours. We're gonna play some games and have some fun, and we'll be back at you to make all of our other delicious things. So 0!
Woo! You aggressive.
Fuck you, Granny!
Fuck you, Granny!
I like old ladies. They mature.
I like them because they mature.
We played a little bit of games. Betrayal.
Betrayal at House on the Hill is what it's called.
Okay.
And it can be a real bitch.
But it's fun. I like it. This is my second time playing it. What we're going to do while our frog legs are marinating, you know, soaking in that buttermilk mixture that we made, is do up these corn cakes. We're going to do up these corn cakes.
Beautiful corn. Right down here.
So,
Now, see, when I was a child, you can shuck. You just pull, they call that shucking where I come from. Corn silks, all that. You don't want none of that.
it goes in the trash can.
Trash.
So, have you cut corn off of a cob before?
I have cut corn off the cob.
All right, well, let's see how you do it.
How would you see how I do it?
By knocking an egg off?
I didn't do
What?
that. I did not. There is an egg on the floor, ladies and gentlemen, but I did not do it. How many cups did we get out of that?
We got almost 4.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're gonna have a little extra in our batch, and I'm cool with that.
It's gonna be corny.
Okay, so
we have another egg here, despite the one that we
I mean, it was
broken.
supposed to be 2 total, so I'll grab
we
another
will
one.
have to get another egg. Actually, there's not a broken egg on the floor currently. I promise you. I'm pinching at Christian. Are you proud of me? I'm learning.
I mean, you're not though, cause
I was pinching.
no.
I was pinching at that part.
There you go.
I
That's
pinch the knife wherever it feels.
You see what I mean though? You feel like the difference when you're on there?
Power. It's like I recycled for the first time in Captain Planet walked by.
Captain Planet, he's a hero. Gonna take pollution down to 0. Right, that's how it goes.
I have the power of heart.
Oh, you're the guy with the monkey? Did you put 4 cups of flour?
4 cups of flour, yes.
Please, it's all purpose. Okay, so... So, about to fucking bust another egg,
These
Cecil.
eggs, I'm about to bust the egg.
Alright, so I'm just making a little well in the flour.
Are you gonna get your hands dirty in this flour mixture here?
Not this one. Putting the eggs in the middle.
And when you do this at home, you cannot waste ingredients by dropping them on the floor if you wish.
I mean, it's your budget. It's your life. Alright, would you give me some dashes of hot sauce, please, sir?
Just dashes, so this we don't need to measure.
No, well, yeah, like eyeball to 4 teaspoons. A tablespoon and a third, if you're converting.
Did you
Awesome.
say that's
Oh,
about
that's
this?
good. Yep. I'm gonna put some of this parsley. And then we're gonna get our hands dirty.
Oh, this is the fun part.
Well, we can put the corn mixture in there. Alright, so we're just pressing it into the dough.
Oh, and that's where a lot of your liquid is coming from into the dough. I can hear how immediately
It's squelching.
Oh, it's squelching. Yeah. We might have to put a mature filter over the sound of this footage.
Alright, so we're gonna have this here all consolidated and set it aside.
Set aside.
Perfect. Some excellent setting aside.
Is there another recipe we're prepping for?
One last.
Is this the sauce?
It is the sauce.
The sauce is what really makes the dishes
I mean,
pop.
Yeah.
What's a dry fucking frog leg? It's just a piece of swamp meat. The second you put the sauce on it, it's fucking delicious.
Fact. For our Creole mustard sauce that we're going to garnish our frog legs with, we are going to use diced yellow onion, parsley, minced garlic, lemon juice, butter, olive oil, a coarse ground mustard, and heavy whipping cream.
Ooh, that's gonna taste good on them frog legs!
Frog legs! We're good with that, and we can add the heavy cream. We want to reduce it by half, and that usually takes about 10 minutes. Make the breading for the frog legs, but we're not going to coat them just yet because we have to heat our oil first. We want to do that at the very last second, basically. So, would you do 2 cups of flour for me? 2 tablespoons of garlic and 1 of the onion.
Sure.
That's it. Do you wanna?
Sure.
Okay, so our cream sauce is reduced. We're going to add our mustard in soon. And we've got the oil going for both our corn cakes and our frog legs. So we're gonna toss those up Put them in their little hot oil bath.
And their little oil bath, and for those
Get those legs dancing. Oven to a low temp, something like
keep
two.
them warm for when
Right,
actually-
250. So we can keep the ones that are done warm while we make the others. Let us do several things at once, in fact.
Sure.
We're going to add the mustard to the cream sauce. I'm going to give you that.
Sure.
And I'm going to start putting some of these corn cakes
And this
in
is
our
1
batter.
cup of whole grain mustard, is that
It's a half a cup.
It's half a cup. Probably start with some
While Cecil's corn caking, we're going to pull some legs out. Place them on a plate. Hit them with the salt and peppers. Salt and peppers here. Toss them in our flour mixture that we made earlier. Like chicken wings. And they get a good coating like that. And then we're just going to toss them in the oil afterwards. Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I knew I was choosing a weird one when I was like, I don't know. I'm super excited. Everything turned out really nicely, Christian.
I think we did a great job.
You know, it
was with our powers combined that we did this. Alright guys, we've got our frog's legs, our corn cakes, and our awesome Creole mustard sauce. And I am ready to dig into this because I think it's going to be really good and totally changed my mind about frog's legs because I was not a proponent for this ingredient, but I won't say no to my friends. So let's do it.
Like frog's legs.
Let's fucking do it. Let's have it. Have it chew. Very good.
You
So-
took the swamp right out of it. I don't even know what the swamp is anymore.
Right? Can't stop for long enough to close it out.
I am stuffed with absolute amphibian. How about you?
Yeah, me too. And I can't stop. So this
I
is
won't stop.
can't stop. Won't. This was super delicious, and you should make it. But you know what you really should do is like and share and subscribe our show because that's what keeps us running. That's what keeps us going. That and our love of food and my love of friends because I have really awesome friends.
And I love the frog legs. Try some frog legs. Open your mind.
Yeah.
Break down boundaries.
Get some vitamin F.
Act like you live in the modern world and not a damn caveman.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll see you next time. I love you guys and I appreciate you watching and coming back for every single one. So see you next time.
And that's pretty much all we're doing.
And then how do we win?
You're the last intern alive.
Oh my god, so we're all gonna have to kill each other?